Using BLF or busy lamp field. BLF is used to monitor the state of a certain user. To configure BLF, long press line key on both sides of the screen or press Menu. Select Features, DSS key, then choose the desired blind chart. In the Type area, select BLF and the related account ID. Then input the label information in the Label area. In the Value area, input the phone number or extension that you wish to monitor. After setting is complete, you will see that on the LCD screen, the corresponding account key now displays the BLF icon. When the monitored line is making an outgoing call or is conversing, the BLF key will be constantly red and displaying the word talking. When the monitored line is receiving an incoming call, BLF key will flash red and display the word ringing. While the monitored account is idle, you can press the BLF key to speed call the monitored user. When the monitored extension receives a new call, you can also directly press the BLF key to pick it up. When there is an active call on the IP phone, you can transfer the call to the monitored phone number directly by pressing the BLF key to perform a blind or attended transfer.